everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share super tasty simple mango ice cream. It is so simple and tasty, friends. So firstly, I kept this bowl in fridge for half an hour. Now I am going to beat this 1 cup of fresh cream with the help of hand beater. If we have electric beater, we can prefer that also. We have to beat it until we'll get that soft peaks in that cream. We have to beat until that stage. We have to still beat it. It was not yet ready. You can see. Now I'm going to beat it again. Now it is ready. It is the right consistency. It is not leaving from the beater. Cream is not leaving. Now I'm going to add half cup of condensed milk. This is homemade condensed milk, friends. And now we have to beat it again. Here I am going to prepare puree by using mangoes, and I prepared puree like this. I am going to add 1.5 cup of mango puree, 1.5 cup of mango puree for 1 cup of fresh cream and half cup of condensed milk, and then we have to beat it again so that we'll get that smooth and creamy texture in that ice cream mixture. If we have mango essence, we can add it now. So finally, mango ice cream mixture is ready now. I'm going to pour it in an airtight jar box container, and I'm going to freeze it for 2 to 3 hours, and I'm going to blend it in a jar, and then I'm going to freeze it for 8 hours. Finally, mango ice cream is ready now. You can see how smooth it is. If you not yet tried, please give it a try, friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share, comment our videos.